It was last June that women in Saudi Arabia were given the legal right to drive a car. Up until then, it was the only country in the world that banned women from getting behind the wheel. But about the same time, security forces were also cracking down on the women activists who had been calling for these reforms. Mothers, grandmothers, retired professors, they were all accused of undermining the kingdom's security, stability and national unity, demonized on state media and branded as traitors. A number of them were arrested, and Saudi prosecutors are putting 4 women and 5 men on trial. There's been an international outcry and a campaign for their release. Rights groups say some of the women have been tortured in secret prisons. Some were allegedly caned or electrocuted. Others sexually assaulted. Lojain al-Hathlul's family accused Saud al-Qahtani, the former advisor to the Crown Prince, of supervising her torture. The Saudi government rejects the allegations and says the detainees enjoy all rights preserved by the laws of the kingdom. But the spotlight is again being focused on Saudi Arabia's human rights record.
If I could impress on the Saudi government and frankly, royal court, it is simply not worth it to keep these women in prison, and they certainly do not deserve to be there. Those women are innocent, and they've done nothing but try to highlight an unnecessary and frankly medieval interpretation of a law.
Dozens of other human rights defenders, academics and religious clerics remain in Saudi prisons, while the Saudi kingdom continues to promote what it sees as its reform agenda, its attempts to modernize Saudi Arabia. Rahila Mohammed, Al Jazeera.